In this video, I will show you how to customize an invoice on PayPal. So to do this, just go to the PayPal invoices section, and then from there is not that much you can customize, but for example, you can change your business info, you can change whatever it says for the customer you're sending to, you can also add your logo, and there are a few more things you can customize. So in order to do it, first you just want to add the basic details, which is obvious, so just who are you billing, what are they paying for, any notes and attachments. Then you can also upload a file. But for example, if you want to have some more customizability, just go to more actions, and then from there what you can do is click on edit business info. And then from within here, you can go and add your logo, you can set the business name on your invoice, tax ID, website, your email, your address, additional info. But for example, if I click add logo and I just upload a thumbnail, you can see that now when I click save, it now shows my logo, or in this case, this image right there, and also on mobile. And through email, if they click view and pay invoice, they will then get this. So that's the customization you can do. You can add any basic details such as the issue date, the invoice number, the items, your business details, and then also a logo. So now you know how to customize a PayPal invoice. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.